What is up, everyone? Prometheus here. Today, I'm going to be doing something scientific for a change. I'm going to prove that sound is faster than light. So right here we got a flashlight, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a weird noise with my mouth, and at the same time press this button to make this light flash. And in doing that, I'm going to uh, I'm going to show that the sound that I make will come out faster than this light beam will. So let's do this. So let's do this quickly. 3, 2, 1. Ah! So as you can see, my sound happened ever so slightly faster than the light came out. Let's try that again. Ah! So as you can see there, it either comes out just as fast or maybe slightly faster. Slow down the footage and see for yourselves if I'm right. If I'm wrong, anyways, thank you for watching. Prometheus out.